Today we're making the iconic lemon drizzle loaf cake. We've got that beautiful tart lemony icing that is sweet and sour enough to make you smile and pucker your lips at the same time. So to begin with, we're going to line our loaf tin. I've got a separate video about this. No paper, that's just been shoved in. We have a perfectly lined tin. In a small bowl, I have my sugar and the zest of a lemon. So this is a whole lemon in this cake because it's a lemon drizzle and we would not have a lemon flavored cake without the zest. It's like I'm peeling the lemon with our zester, and so we've got this really cool collection of so much essential oil that provides all the lemon aroma. So just rubbing these together, getting in there with both hands. And this just helps extract all the amazing natural lemon oils that are present in the skin. So you'll see the sugar starts to look a bit wet. I don't know who created this technique, but it is a game changer when you're making something lemon or citrus flavored. Next up, we add our olive oil, so just some extra virgin olive oil. You'll notice it's not that much, along with our milk. Plant-based, of course. I like to use soy in nearly everything. And we're just whisking all of these together. Oil and water or oil and milk in the presence of sugar will do something amazing, and they'll combine, so you'll see that the oil won't actually separate back out. Now, before I forget, we also need the juice of the lemon, or 60 grams of lemon juice. So just taking that lemon, which I've already zested, and juicing it. Just grabbing my scales again to make sure I'm using the right amount. We want to be able to, once we've mixed this batter, pour it into the tin relatively quickly, because that lemon juice in the liquids will start to react with our bicarbonate soda. So we're putting our dry ingredients, so flour, baking powder, and bicarbonate soda. I'm just going to gently whisk these to disperse the baking powders, and then adding our liquids, all of our liquids. It smells so good, like a freshly squeezed lemon. And just using the whisk, we're gently combining everything until we have a nice smooth batter with no lumps of flour in it. So you see it starts to come together. We just give it a quick whisk to make sure that it's really smooth. And then you'll find that you want to put this into a tin pretty quickly. Don't leave it sitting there for too long, because it does start to naturally aerate as it reacts with the bicarbonate soda or baking soda. So we just want to get that straight into a tin, and then use a knife to just kind of make a little indent in the middle. I like to just put in I like to just put a very small amount of olive oil down the middle. Then we want to get this in the oven. We just want to make sure that the wire rack is in the bottom third of the oven, so that our loaf is in the middle, so we get really good heat distribution around it. As soon as our timer goes off, we check the cake for doneness by inserting a skewer in through a crack into the middle of the cake, and it should come out nice and dry. Then I'm just going to use the paper lining that we've taken care to make so perfect, and just lift the cake out. Just quite carefully peel the paper away to let our cake cool fully before we ice it. To finish our lemon drizzle, we just need to do the drizzle part. Just reusing that paper underneath, setting the cake on a wire rack, just adding the lemon juice to the icing sugar. For a lemon drizzle, we do want an icing that is on the slightly thicker side. So if you want to glaze the whole thing or brush the glaze on and get just a nice thin coating, add a teaspoon of extra lemon juice. But for this one, I'm going to go with the classic thick icing across the whole top. So we just start by mixing it slowly until everything is kind of combined, and then we can give it a good whisk to remove any lumps. And we have a beautiful thick icing. So here we go. Start by just pouring our icing . There we have our iconic lemon drizzle cake. I love the end because it's got the most icing on it. It's a beautiful, tender cake. That is sunshine on a rainy day.